Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Rover remote fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to get our flat-headed screwdriver, and just at the back of the fob you can see a small indentation just there where we can put the blade of the screwdriver in and give it a very slight twist, and the top half of the case is released. Now what we need to do is we need to get a smaller flat-headed screwdriver, and just here and here, either side of the fob, there's just little legs that we just need to unclip so we can split the two halves of the case. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. We just get our screwdriver again, and we get underneath the battery, and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our key fob battery and we just pop it into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing downwards, like so, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, and we just click it back in place. And get the top half of the fob, and just slide it on. And there you go. It's all done.